got yet another pair of music listening contraptions to take a look at. I've reviewed plenty of $40 Bluetooth headphones, and there are a lot of great options. But what about Bluetooth earbuds? Well, Oregon, I'm gonna go with Oregon. They went ahead and they sent me out their HS1 Bluetooth earbuds, and I have to say that for under $35, you're getting a whole hell of a lot here. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at them. What's good, people? I'm Yeti Machete. Tech ain't easy. I'm here to help you out. Listen, before we get into the review, I want to say that I have way too many headphones, man, so I want to give these away to somebody who will actually use them. So just go ahead and make sure you are subscribed to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment. And when this video hits, let's say 75 likes, I'll go ahead and pick a winner. Anyway, so these are the Oregon HS1 Bluetooth earbuds. They have a 4.5-star rating on Amazon from over 400 people, so things seem pretty good. The unboxing experience was very nice, and at this price point, it definitely was not expected, but obviously welcome. You get your earbuds front and center laid out nicely in a foam cutout, your user manual, a nice pleather carry pouch, a bag full of sport grips, and last, 5 pairs of earbud tips in different sizes. You get 2 pairs of earplug-like tips that feel really nice. You also get 3 pairs of gel tips. I absolutely love the design here. The earbuds have this nice aluminum look to them, but I believe they are made mostly out of plastic. I have the red ones here, but they also come in an all black color and a dark green. One of my favorite features of the earbuds is the magnetic ends, allowing you to snap them around your neck when not in use so you don't lose or tangle them. However, if you do opt for the magnetic version, it will cost you an extra $4. Now, these are a little on the big side, so I recommend using the included wing sport grips, which will help keep the earbuds in place when working out. The cable on the HS1s is not braided, but it seems good enough, and I haven't had any issues with tangling, but only time will tell how well they actually hold up. Taking a look on the right side of the earbud, about 3 inches down is where all your media control buttons and charging port is. In the middle, you got your multi-function button, which is used for powering on and off the earbuds, pairing, playing, pausing all your music, as well as answering and rejecting calls. Flanking both sides of the multi-function button is your volume up and down buttons, which they both also double as your next/previous track button. One small thing I really like about the buttons is how clicky they are. I know it's a small thing, but it's little details like that really make a solid product. On the side is your micro USB port for charging, which is disappointing to see in 2018. Type-C is becoming the norm, so I was pretty bummed to see it not included here. On the back, you will find a little hole for your mic with some small Oregon branding next to it. I don't have much to say on the comfort side of things. I mean, they're earbuds. Once you get the right size tips in, then for the most part, they're pretty comfy. However, take note that these are pretty big for being earbuds. But again, once you get the right tips in and the wing grips on, they stay in place, at least for me. Now, take your time and find what fits best with your ears, because if they aren't in your ears properly, the sound will be a little bit disappointing. Speaking of the sound, I would say that this has to be the HS1's biggest selling point, and rightfully so. I'm more of a headphone guy because I love my bass, but I have to say I was damn surprised by how deep, rich, and punchy the bass was here that these earbuds are putting out. Vocals are pretty good here too, albeit a little on the bassier side, but still sound good, and I really can't complain at the $35 price point. Highs can be a little too much at higher volumes, at least for me in my testing. I tended to stick around 80% volume, and that seemed to be the sweet spot for these. Now, I'm not going to sit here and act like I know that these are the best sounding earbuds ever and tell you to go ahead and buy these, because I honestly don't know if they are. Like I said, I'm more of a headphone guy. But what I can say is that out of all the earbuds I've tried in my lifetime, again, not many, these beat out any earbuds included with your phone, and I've been genuinely impressed with these. The pros: they have good sound, rich bass, they're stylish, and they include a carry pouch. The cons: big for earbuds, no Type-C port, $4 to get the extra magnetic version. Anyway guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. As usual, I will have links in the description if you want to pick these up. If you guys enjoyed the video, you already know what to do. Shmee, smack that like button. And if you haven't yet, definitely check out my other content. Consider subscribing. I would appreciate it greatly. Anyways, I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.